thing.
Yeah?
Yeah. I found him near that wall with all the pillars.
What kind of bird is he?
I'm not sure. I think he's either a pigeon or
So you just found him, you met him, and he took to you, and he sat on your shoulder, and he hasn't left, and you've skateboarded for many blocks, and he's still there.
Yeah.
Do you want to come out of the sun for a second? I might get him a little bit better in the shade because of the light. I can't believe it. I hope he doesn't leave you now. Oh my God, that is just amazing.
Picture on him, guys. That's so cute.
He's adopted him. I can't believe it. I just can't believe it. He found him many blocks away and he's been sitting on his shoulder. He's just clutched onto him.
Really cute.
That's so amazing.
That's amazing.
Can I steal him?
I mean, where do you see that?
I'm not going to steal him.
How did you do that? Is she only
I'm so sober right
No, it's fine. Hey, congratulations.
That is too cute. Oh my
Good job.
God.
That's fucking amazing.
That is that's spiritual or something.
It's so cute.
That's spiritual. That to have a bird come and sit on you like that is spiritual. That you
You've got something inside.
yeah, we're gonna touch you. We're gonna touch you.
We need your energy.
Yeah, we need your energy.
Yeah, I do.
Yeah, give us your.
Your on me.
Because for a bird to sit on you,
That's
look
really
16.
cute.
that is unbelievable. I mean, where do you see that? You don't.
That's never shown you.
Amazing. Good job, mate.
They say for a bird to come near you, it's a spiritual thing. But this guy sat on him. That's just like unbelievable.
He didn't land at all. I haven't done this
That's amazing.
Oh my God, what, you patted him?
He's not leaving. You've got a
He's not leaving you. This is newsworthy.
I haven't done this in a very long time.
This is newsworthy.
You owe me a drink.
Oh look, that's just.
You owe me a drink.
I have a
That's amazing. Hey, that's good luck.
Yeah.
Luck to you.
We better leave him to it. I'm scared he'll fly
I
away.
think so.
That's just like unbelievable. This is newsworthy.
That's beautiful. Hey, that's
is.
spiritual. Good on you, mate. Shake my hand.
Yeah,
this
good
hand.
on you.
And I'll pat this bird. And good luck to you. That's amazing, brother.
clap.
Hey, good luck.
I'm proud of you. That bird is fucking cute.
That is just
We'll leave you to it. I'll shake your hand too.
you too.
Nice to
That's
meet
just
you.
you too.